Open a web browser. Type Mozilla Firefox in the search bar and press Enter. Go to the Mozilla Firefox website, first link open. Press Download Firefox button. To start the download, press Open folder. The Firefox installer will open. Click on the Install button to begin the installation. Click OK button. Wait for the installation process to complete. It may take a few moments to finish. Launch Firefox once the installation is complete. Press Save and Continue button. You have successfully downloaded and installed Mozilla Firefox on your computer. You can now start using Firefox as your web browser.